my name is Alicia. So today I am decorating my Christmas tree.
Summer's long gone, baby. The first snow is about to fall. Everybody's waiting for what's to come.
And shout out to my husband. He's like a very good sport at like helping me decorate and take down decorations and all of that. So yeah.
Christmas is the time to set your mind and spirit free. Everybody smile while we decorate the tree. If I could, I wish for you to spend Christmas here with me.
This tree is not like flocked already, so what we did is we went and got some of this snow in a can. So we're just gonna like lightly tap it everywhere and let it dry overnight, and then tomorrow we'll come back and decorate it.
Okay, hold on.
No one should be sad or left alone. Nothing matters more than being here with you. I give up all I have to show you that my love is Christmas is the time to leave your ego out the door.
First, I got mesh from Hobby Lobby, and I'll show. So next, I got these picks to go. These picks to go in there as well. So these are probably gonna go in the bow. And got more ribbon. So yeah. And I got another bag full of stuff. So here we go.
Jingle bells ringing in my
So I went and got some pipe cleaners to secure it on the tree.
ear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing, just you and me. Carolers are singing out.
So all I'm doing now is securing the mesh onto the tree with pipe cleaners, and I'm also using some of the I guess the tree stems too, but yeah.
Wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, we're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Later we meet under the mistletoe, while Santa's busy saying ho ho ho. We're feeling jolly.
So yeah, I took the easy way out and I went and bought this bow from Walmart. I could have easily made this bow, yeah. I have the ribbon to make this, but I just didn't feel like making it, so yeah. And so I'm just gonna fluff this out, and I'm gonna put picks in it, and I'm just gonna put it at the top of the tree, and we're gonna see, hopefully it comes together.
We all heard before as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Merry Christmas Day. A Merry Christmas Day. Oh.
Got her name on it and the wedding date. Gonna help me put it on there?
Of course.
Put it on there together.
Oh,
So you wanna put it right here? Let's move this and put it right here. Or you wanna put it right here?
Yeah.
You put it right here.
No, we just need to get back to see it too.
Hey, put it up. So, there we go.
Careful, Teddy. Don't fall.
Very Merry Christmas we'll have this year. Very Merry Christmas, I keep so near. Every light, every song, every friend that comes along. A very Merry Christmas to you.
So yeah, I really enjoyed how this tree turned out. Like I said, I'm still putting ornaments on it and adding pics and all kinds of things to it. And I probably will be until Christmas, to be honest. But if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And my next video will finally be my Christmas home tour.
A very Merry Christmas, oh, we'll have this year.